peach cobbler into chunks, because actually when you leave them in slices, they actually break down differently than in chunks, and the chunks keep their structure and their texture better than slices. And besides that, when you're eating it, you don't have a big slice in there, you have chunks. So not small, just pretty much chunks. Like this slice will be into 3 chunks. That's it, not bite size, but chunks. And if you are using frozen peaches, you want to make sure they are thawed and then dried off some before you start adding in some of your other ingredients. Okay, if you are using frozen peaches or whatever kind of peaches you are, at this point you want to make sure that your oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. However, if you are using frozen peaches, take a couple of paper towels and just fold them and press down on them just to absorb some of the excess liquid that's already on the peaches. Now we are going to go in with all of our filling ingredients. Brown sugar, a little salt, cornstarch. This is ginger. It amazingly brings out the flavor in the peaches. Cinnamon, vanilla extract, but I am using vanilla bean paste. Feel free to use either. And a little lemon juice. Go ahead and combine all of these ingredients together with your peaches. Once you have your peaches all well combined with everything, you want to grab your baking dish, put all of this mixture into your dish, spread it out, and like I said, I am making a very small amount, but spread it out, and then we're going to bake this just like it is for 10 minutes in a 350 degree oven while we make our topping. While our peaches are in the oven, we are going to make our topping. My topping is my basic biscuit recipe. So I'm not going to go over everything as I'm doing it. I'll just do it, and I will link several of my biscuit recipes because I have several of them on my channel already. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the biscuit topping, and then we will proceed from there. Okay, so our dough mixture is ready. We're going to make a quick egg wash and a quick cinnamon sugar. So we're going to have an egg. I'm adding a little heavy cream to that. You can add milk, you can add water. Just make sure it's well combined. Okay, set that aside. And I have a little organic sugar here. I'm just going to add a little cinnamon to it. Make a little cinnamon sugar. Okay, I'm going to grab the peaches and we'll be right back. Oh, that's hot. Okay, be careful because your dish will probably still be hot. Don't touch it like I just did. I'll leave that there to remind me. Now with the dough topping, make sure your hands are impeccably clean or wear some gloves because you will be handling the dough. You just want to gather some of it up in small amounts like this and press it out kind of, not necessarily thin, but flatten it some. And then we want to put this all over our peaches. They don't have to be circles like that. They can be any shape or form. You just want them to flatten them out some. Try to cover most of your peaches. Now we want to just brush the tops with our egg wash. And sprinkle with a little of cinnamon sugar if you're using it. Want it to be golden brown and bubbly. Okay, we are all done. Doesn't that look amazing? And I let it cool. It bubbled up around the edges and it looks and smells divine. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Yes. Ooh, delicious. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out today here in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And channel members, thank you so much. If you are not subscribed to the channel, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn that notification bell on so you won't miss anything. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Let's taste, let's taste, let's taste. Smells delicious. Oh, I'm gonna fall over on this one, y'all. This is so good. It has just the right amount of sweetness because y'all know I don't really have a sweet tooth. So it's not too sweet. And the ice cream brings out even more sweetness. The peaches, the flavor, the cinnamon. Ooh, the even hint of ginger brings out the peach flavor even more. Oh my goodness, delicious. I'm gonna go fix me a cup of coffee. And I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.